Using Visa gift card in starpets.gg is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can use their Visa gift cards in starpets.gg. So as you guys can see, I'm at their home web, and here you have to select the item that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this urban egg. I'm just gonna add it to my cart. It's already added to my cart. So if I go to my cart, which is here, as you guys can see, I have two items in my cart. If I click on buy, what it will show is that I do not have any funds on my account balance, which means I do not have any money in my account. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon, which is on the left side of my wallet. What it will do is it will take me to this page. Now here you just have to select Visa card or World cards. It is asking me the amount of money I want to add into my this account, but be careful. It also includes some of the taxes. So suppose if I want to buy $15, it will charge me $15.88. After that, you just have to agree the terms and click on top up, and it will take you to this page. And in this page, you just have to add the card number, all the details of your Visa gift card, and click on pay. What it will do is it will charge this amount of money. In my case, it is 15.93 from your Visa gift card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.